anyway, as I was saying, I'm about to cook my steak, and that's all this is. It's like the steak meat that you would like normally use for like tacos and stuff like that. That's my steak. And right here I got some white onions, bell peppers, and some cilantro. And these are like usually, those are avocados, but these are like usually the seasonings that I use when I make my steak meat, which is some Goya, which is what I'm going to put in my meat first to give it the color that I want it to be. Some onion powder, garlic powder, and some total seasoning by Casero. And this is new from Lori's. And some garlic powder, some adobo, some Goya sofrito, tomato base. I ain't had time to make any sofrito, but I think I have a video up on my page showing y'all how to make homemade sofrito, ricotta, culantro, and some carne asada. So yeah, y'all, right now I'm about to start. I'm going to put a couple of packets of Goya seasoning packet in my steak first, because I want to give my steak that color that I like it to be before I put it in the pot. 1 second. Okay, so this is what the meat looks like. My lighting stinks in here. This is what the steak looks like after I put my my sazon, my Goya seasoning packets in the steak. And now I'm going to add my other seasonings. I'm going to add a little bit of the sofrito and the ricotta and everything that you see right here. I'm going to put all of that in my steak. 1 second.